Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reduce spending habits with Citi Double Cash, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin reducing your spending habits, first, assess your current financial situation. Gather all your financial statements, including bank accounts, credit cards, and loans. Next, categorize your expenses into essential and non-essential items. Essential items include necessities like rent, groceries, and bills. Non-essential items cover discretionary spending like dining out, entertainment, and shopping. Now, calculate your monthly income. Subtract your essential expenses from your income to see how much you have left. With any leftover funds, determine how much you typically spend on non-essentials. This is where the Citi Double Cash Card can help. Using this card, you earn cash back on every purchase. This encourages more mindful spending since every purchase rewards you. Set a monthly budget for non-essential expenses that aligns with your income. Use the Citi Double Cash Card for these purchases to maximize your rewards. Keep track of your spending using budgeting apps or a spreadsheet. Review your expenses weekly to stay accountable. If you notice overspending, reassess your budget categories. Look for areas where you can cut back on non-essentials. Consider setting specific goals for cashback rewards. This motivation can help you stick to your spending limits. To enhance your financial discipline, establish an automatic payment schedule for your Citi Double Cash Card. This ensures you pay the full balance each month to avoid interest charges. By doing so, you can fully benefit from the cashback rewards without falling into debt. Lastly, celebrate your achievements along the way. Recognizing your progress can reinforce positive spending habits. Implement these strategies consistently to effectively reduce your spending habits. Over time, you'll see a significant difference in your financial health. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.